Fueling your morning with a protein-rich meal, like eggs or Greek yogurt, sets the tone for a day of sustained energy and helps curb those mid-morning snack cravings. Let's talk protein. This macronutrient is your weight loss pal. It works like magic, keeping you full and satisfied, minimizing those troublesome cravings. Additionally, it also plays a key role in preventing muscle loss. That's why lean meats, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt should be your go-to. But before you dive headfirst into a sea of protein shakes, here's a secret: not all proteins are created equal. Processed meats and fried delights might carry protein, but they're also laden with unhealthy fats and calories that could throw a wrench into your progress. Opt for the natural route. Skinless chicken breast, tuna salad sandwiches, or a veggie omelet. When the goal is losing weight, the name of the game is calories in versus calories out. It's about burning more than you consume. Enter volume eating, a strategy that pairs perfectly with lean meats and lower-calorie options. This way, you're not just satisfied, you get to savor a more substantial portion. Now, let's talk specifics. Take chicken thigh and chicken breast, for instance. 2 cups, 280 grams, of chicken thigh serve up 490 calories and 45 grams of protein. In the other corner, chicken breast boasts 360 calories and a whopping 70 grams of protein. The choice is clear, isn't it? Every calorie counts when you're on a weight loss journey. Now take 2 cups of tuna in water. This lean protein powerhouse gives you 180 calories and a generous 40 grams of protein. Enter the world of volume eating. Whether it's lean meats, fish, egg whites, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese, look for the low-calorie options to help you feel full and satisfied. It's not just about what you eat, it's about eating smart on your journey to a healthier you. But remember, even good things can be overdone. Moderation is key. While protein takes the spotlight, let's not forget about its trusty sidekick, fiber. This indigestible carbohydrate plays a pivotal role in supporting your health and weight management. Here's why fiber matters. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, promoting a feeling of fullness, which can assist in controlling appetite. It aids in digestion, keeping things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Fiber-rich foods often require more chewing, slowing down your eating pace and allowing your body to recognize that it's full. Good sources of fiber include whole grains, legumes, fruits and vegetables, and nuts and seeds. Unlike protein, fiber is not a significant source of calories. It contributes to the overall carbohydrate content of a food item but doesn't provide the same caloric density. Combining lean proteins with fiber-rich, lower-calorie foods creates a satisfying and nutritionally dense meal. For instance, pair grilled chicken with a colorful salad or have a serving of Greek yogurt with fresh berries and chopped nuts. Shifting our focus to healthy fats, it's essential to recognize their significance for overall health and potential support in weight loss. These fats contribute to satiety, reducing the risk of overeating or opting for less nutritious snacks. Fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K require fats for proper absorption, ensuring optimal utilization of these essential nutrients. Acting as a concentrated energy source, healthy fats provide sustained energy, particularly beneficial when pursuing a calorie deficit. Crucial for maintaining cell structure and function, healthy fats play a vital role in overall cellular health. Now, let's delve into diverse sources of healthy fats. Avocados, packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados are both delicious and offer various health benefits. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean diets, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, promoting heart health. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids and essential nutrients. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and trout, high in omega-3 fatty acids, support various health benefits, including weight loss. Coconut oil, despite its saturated fat content, coconut oil with medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, can offer unique health benefits within a balanced diet. Dark chocolate, in moderation, dark chocolate with high cocoa content contributes healthy fats and antioxidants. Emphasizing moderation, it's crucial to be mindful of portion sizes. While healthy fats offer numerous benefits, they are calorie-dense. Aim for a well-rounded and satisfying diet by incorporating a variety of these sources into your meals. Pasta, lasagna, pastries, cookies, donuts. Who doesn't love carbs? Carbs are important and they are not the enemy in your weight loss journey. Obviously, eating plates full of high-calorie carbs like pasta, rice, and bread will make it hard for you to lose that stubborn fat. Remember, it's about making smart choices. There are two types of carbohydrates, known as good and bad carbs. Complex carbohydrates, or good carbs, are found in whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes. These carbs are rich in fiber and nutrients. They provide a steady release of energy, promote satiety, and contribute to overall health. Simple carbohydrates, or bad carbs, are found in refined and processed foods, sugary snacks, and sodas. These carbs offer quick energy but lack fiber and essential nutrients. Consuming them in excess can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy for your body. During weight loss, the key is to strike a balance between the energy you consume and the energy you burn. Complex carbohydrates, particularly those high in fiber, contribute to a feeling of fullness. This can help control appetite and prevent overeating, supporting weight loss efforts. Carbohydrates are also essential for optimal performance during physical activity. They fuel your muscles and provide the energy needed for workouts, aiding in overall calorie expenditure. Choosing the right carbs will set you on a fast track to losing weight. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. They provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Colorful, non-starchy vegetables and whole fruits are nutrient-dense sources of carbohydrates with added benefits from vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Finally, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates and protein. You don't have to starve yourself when in a caloric deficit. There can always be alternatives to your favorite higher-calorie foods. For instance, pasta. Would you rather eat 30 calories or 500 calories of spaghetti? Both are 2 cups. Enter zucchini noodles. When cooked right, they can be a delicious alternative. You can make an extremely high volume of spaghetti from zucchini. If this one doesn't float your boat, there are many other types of pasta swaps out there. Another example is wraps. If you substitute lettuce in for tortillas, you could eat triple or even quadruple the amount you originally would have eaten. Alternatively, you could make low-calorie wraps. There are many recipes out there. Tips. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially when consuming carbohydrates from refined sources. Controlling portions helps manage overall calorie intake. Balanced diet. Include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats in your meals to ensure you meet your nutritional needs. Volume eating. Incorporate low-calorie foods to double the volume of your meals to feel both satiated and satisfied without consuming excess calories. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat and savor each bite. Eating mindfully can help you recognize true hunger and fullness cues, preventing mindless snacking or overeating. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Eat when you're hungry, and stop when you're satisfied. Avoid eating out of boredom or for emotional reasons. Moderation and indulgence. Making room for your favorite desserts is a realistic and sustainable approach to a healthy diet. Instead of completely eliminating treats, practice moderation. Consider enjoying smaller portions or savoring your favorite dessert on special occasions. Consistency is key. A balanced diet filled with protein, carbs, and healthy fats is important. But be smart with your food choices and you will lose weight in no time, without feeling like you are on a diet or calorie deficit. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with others. Thank you for tuning into Inner Health Zone. We'll be back for more health and wellness content, so stay tuned.